In the last part of our seminar, we're going to be looking at an application problem. It says this. Looks kind of long, doesn't it? It says the height of the bridge in the United States, or the highest bridge in the United States, is the Royal Gorge Bridge in Colorado. The deck is 1,053 feet above the river. Suppose a marble is dropped over the railing from a height 3 feet above the bridge deck. So in other words, you're standing on the bridge. You're about 3 feet above the base of the bridge where you stand, and you drop this marble. How long will it take the marble to reach the surface of the water, assuming there's no air resistance? We're going to use this formula. H of t equals negative 16t squared plus h of naught, where t is the time in seconds, and h of naught is the initial height above the water. So how far above the water? Well, the bridge is 1,053 feet above the water. We went another 3 feet. So we're 1,056 feet above the water. So we're going to say h of t equals negative 16t squared plus 1056. Now if we're going to solve this by graphing, I'm just going to do h of x instead. So negative 16x squared plus 1056. Because different variables have different things using technology, so we're going to use x. So now we go to our graphing calculator. This time, I'm going to create a new graph here. And this time we're going to just graph it. So we're going to say negative 16x squared plus 1056. Now notice we get this parabola. It's a sad looking parabola because the leading coefficient is negative. This would be, this would be the height of the bridge. That makes sense, 1,056. It crosses your graph. It crosses the x-axis twice. It crosses it at negative 8.1 and positive 8.1 because it's symmetric. Time can't be negative. So we're going to say, oh, it hits the ground or hits the water about 8.1 seconds. It doesn't tell me what to round it to, so anything would be fine. But don't give me 100 decimals because you can't measure it that much. So at most, I would say 10th or 100th. So I'm going to say it reaches, since it's a word problem, let's answer the complete sentence. It reaches the water after about 8.1 seconds. The about means we're rounding this answer. And that's what you do. So if you get an application, look at the formula, graph that, and then interpret your answer.